2018-20 batch. You're all doing fine in this unprecedented situations and in the pink of your health. I am really glad to be a part of this Lockdown Diaries, an initiative by the Finance and Banking Forum. Thank you very much. Talking about myself, I am a Bengali and I'm born in Kolkata but raised up in various different cities. As of now, I am located in Ahmedabad along with my parents, and I completed my graduation from here as well. For hobbies, I really like theatre, and then I love to read at times, and I also love to cook. In my free time, I generally stick to either Netflix or Amazon or any such platform to watch some series or shows. I at times even enjoy cooking along with my mom. She teaches me some authentic Bengali dishes. But for now, since the job started, the free time, the me time has actually reduced. But then I'm trying my best to get myself some time. Until lockdown that I had not applied for any certifications, but in lockdown I applied for the basics Excel course on Udemy, and since it will be required for my work purpose, Excel is very basics generally necessary. Apart from that, I have not done any other certifications, though I had enrolled for investment banking on NISM, but I did not go on with it. Now I am placed with Deloitte USI, the Hyderabad office, US tax consultant position. The pay is very handsomely, and it is one of the highest packages in the finance specialization. The work from home has started for us from July 2020, and it's going on pretty good. They even have given us laptops and extra monitors which we'll be needing for work. Since Deloitte is almost around the corner and I have gone through the process, all I would like to say at this point is keep your calm, stay cool, know what you're saying and just say it confidently. They'll be basically testing on communications and how apt you are, your presence of mind and all. Make sure you have a very good internet connection, that or else might be a hindrance if not. Sit in a place where there is no noise at all that could lag situations, and that is it. It is a very hyped process that it is very difficult, but it is actually one of the easiest processes by any company that has come on campus. So all the very best to those who all are applying for it, and hope to see you soon next year and hope to get back there. For job opportunities is, I would say, a little tight, keeping in mind the situation right now, but this is not it. It's just a phase. It will go away, and don't be disheartened. There will be companies that will be coming up soon. They have their recruitment processes on hold because of obvious reasons, but they are going to definitely resume, and it will be up again very soon. The fight might be a little more difficult, but keep your hopes and all the best. That's all. My plans post-lockdown is, first off, I need to visit Pune. I did not get a proper closure from Pune. Meet everybody, hang out with friends, and meet teachers. Obviously, go to the campus, sit on the porch one last time. Because last time when I came home, I had planned for just a 7-day visit, which ended up forever. But yes, that is one of the first things I would want to do. I would also want to go and watch movies like every other normal person. So hopes are high. Let's see what happens. One good thing about lockdown is the kind of time I got to spend with my parents. Everybody, enjoying together, watching movies together at home and cooking together. I guess this was something that I really wanted after the 2 years that I had in Pune. It was not supposed to be here even, since I was supposed to join from May in Hyderabad. But I guess it was for the best, and this was really one of the best things. The one thing that I learned from my parents is household chores are very underestimated and underappreciated. There are corners in wasn't until the lockdown, and I am very happy to learn various different recipes and dishes from my mom. I think it is really high time to normalize, working at home and considering it equally more important. About my internship experience, I did not go through a college process. I went through personal reference. I did my internship from Torrent Pharmaceuticals Limited, Ahmedabad, at the head office here under the marketing finance department, and it was a very, very good experience. They gave me proper equipment, computers and other appliances. They also gave me food cards, entry cards, and I was properly treated like in the corporate as an employee and not a trainee. I got a lot of time to research on my topic. I did a lot of studies, and I still remember everything that I had in my project and why and what was all. So there was a lot of knowledge that I actually gained from my internship. The college memories had been in abundance. Talking of one might demean the others, but I guess the most recent and one of the best experiences was the Global Immersion Program to UK, University of Leicester. It was a 14 days program. There was a lot of learning. Also, there was a lot of exploring and having fun with friends, new city, new experiences, meeting new people. The faculties who accompanied us to Leicester were also friendly and trusted us very much. That was one of the best things. Apart from the global immersion, there was also national immersion to Hyderabad. There was rural immersion. There were also various traditional days. There was Teachers' Day that we celebrated. Then there was even a logo making competition for the entire MIT, and we participated. We got the 7th position. We also got a cash prize. These are one of the very, very ardent memories that are coming in my mind right now. There has not been a day where we had not had chai at Partisa. So I guess it was really fun, and I am dying. I really can't wait to relive those memories again. Advice for the juniors would be to obviously stay positive first off, stay focused and determined. There are unwanted and unpreferred situations going on right now, but this is not it. You will get to experience a lot in future. So as of now, stay positive. It will be fine. I would like to say is enjoy where you are right now. There is a lot that is happening, a lot you think you are missing out on, but take in more of what is happening right now, experience every bit of it, and I guess just all the best for your future endeavors, and thank you for making me a part of this.